How to restart your return in TurboTax. So first you want to go to the TurboTax website and sign into your account. Now from the left side panel, you want to look for tax tools and expand that category. And under this category, you should find clear and start over. And if you can't find it, it usually moved to switch products. So you can expand switch products and then click on clear and start over. Now you will need to confirm by clicking on I want to clear my tax data. And this will basically wipe your tax data and records from TurboTax. So you will need to re-import and re-enter all your information you provided before. And then you will need to start your return again from the beginning. And you can only clear and restart if you haven't submitted payment, deducted TurboTax fees from your refund, or registered the product. Otherwise, you will need to manually edit the return. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.